போன கிளாஸ்ல வந்து adjectives ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கீங்கல்ல?
Adjectives ஆரம்பிச்சோம்.
என்ன திருப்பி recap பண்ணிடுறீங்களா?
There are 10 kinds of adjectives. That we saw the names. Now in this class we will have the recap and then we will have each adjective definition with example. Okay. So what are the kinds of 10 kinds of adjectives?
Proper, descriptive,
quantitative, numerical, demonstrative, interrogative, possessive, distributive, indefinite, article. So these are the 10 varieties of adjectives. Okay. Now in the next slides we will be saying each one with definition and example. I go to the next slide.
Okay.
The first one is proper adjective. The proper adjectives are the words from proper noun.
Okay.
See for example, India. That is proper noun. If I say I am an Indian, that is a proper adjective. India is country, that is a proper noun. Country is a noun. India is proper noun. Indian is proper adjective.
Proper adjective. Okay. Understood.
Clear, no? So that is proper adjective. Next one is descriptive. So descriptive also, it is also known as qualitative.
Okay.
Okay, I have given the remarks. This is also can be said as qualitative adjective. This explains the quality of a noun. What is the example? It is if I say it is a genuine product. Okay. So product is a noun. The genuine describes the quality of that noun. Understand? So genuine means it's reliable. So that genuine is a qualitative adjective. Okay. That is a descriptive adjective. It describes more or better. Next one is quantitative. That is measurement. Quantity of a noun. So what is the quantity? He has no sense at all. If we say that no. So how much sense he has? No sense at all. Okay. So in this it describes how much. Okay. That is the quantitative adjective. The next one is numerical. That is how many. Before we saw how much. Now how many. The first row. The second row. It's a specific which row, which line that boy is there. Correct?
Correct.
So that is the numerical adjective. The fifth one is demonstrative. Which tells which noun. Okay. Which explains more. If I say this boy took my pen, this boy is clever. So it tells which boy or which noun. It specifies the particular noun. So this is called demonstrative, which demonstrates the particular noun. That is called demonstrative adjective. I go to the next slide. Interrogative. You all know interrogative. Interrogative means questioning. Okay. Interrogative or questions with nouns. It's called interrogative adjective. If I say whose book is this? Okay. That whose is the interrogative adjective. That is which usually comes before a noun. Okay. Whose book is this? Whose pen is this? Like that. So this is interrogative, but it is a question mark. It is a question. Okay. Next one is possessive, which states the ownership of a particular noun. If somebody asks whose book is this, it's my book. Okay, it is his book. That my or his or her, this is possessive. Who owns? The person owns the particular noun. That is possessive adjective. Next one is distributive. Distributive is refers each one.
Each one means?
Everything.
we saw how much, how many, and question mark and this one.
Yeah.
This.
This is, I will tell you an example. It refers each one. For example, if the students ask the teacher, two students go to the teacher, ask, who has to come tomorrow? If the teacher says, either of you should come, that means either you or he, anyone. If she says both, that means both of them should come. Not should not, anyone should not leave. Okay, so it specifies the
Person.
number,
What's the number? Okay.
descriptive, describes. Okay, that is why example I was going, either of you can come tomorrow. That means there is no confusion.
Correct.
Either you or he can come tomorrow. If I say both, they have to come both.
Both.
Okay, that is the distributive adjective. Next one is indefinite. Indefinite is non-specific. Definite is specific. Indefinite is
Non-specific.
non-specific. If I say someone, who took my pen? Someone took my pen. Who's that boy? Some boy. Can you make anything out of this?
Nothing.
Nothing. So this is indefinite adjective. The last one is article. Article, adjective. Article, we know what are the three articles in English grammar? A and the. In general we say three articles. But a and an both are almost the same.
A and N.
A and an. Both are similar. Okay. Only an comes before vowels. A comes before consonant. But it plays the same role.
A and N.
A and an. So technically there are two articles. A or an and the. So these are the two articles. So this explanation is article with noun is article adjective.
Oh,
Give me an apple.
that's all. Understood.
So that is the article adjective. So in this case there is a small confusion. An apple or a boy. It's article or adjective. Okay. Both.
Understood.
So in this example, that is why I have given the notes. Give me an apple. That means this is adjective. It is article adjective, numerical adjective. It says and. It doesn't say two or more.
Understood.
Correct?
Understood.
It's a numerical adjective, article adjective. The other one is, it is also indefinite article. Why it is called indefinite article?
Not,
If we say, give me an apple. Okay. This apple can be taken from the store, taken from the road. It can be old one, it can be rotten, it can be fresh, anything.
correct.
There is no specific definition for apple. It is just an apple. Okay, so anything you can give,
Correct.
whether it is a rotten or fresh one.
Correct.
Correct? So that one, it depends on the sentence or the situation where it is used. Clear? So these are the different types of adjectives. We have seen simple examples and simple definitions.
Correct.
Okay, so now we have to do the exercise. Different sentences, we have to see how the adjectives, or sometimes like I said, no, sometimes it is article, sometimes it is adjective, sometimes it plays as both. So we have to see, we have to read a lot of sentences. Then we can make out the differences.
So you will give a lot of.
So in the next class, I'm not going to the next class, another subject, we will take a test.
We'll revise.
We will revise with many examples for all these 10 adjectives. For each adjective, we will have a couple of examples in the next class. Fine?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.